Many companies are invoiced for products that are delivered to them on site. In those situations, it's important to compare what was delivered to what was billed. InvoiceZoom streamlines the process with their InvoiceZoom smartphone app. When a product is delivered and a delivery slip provided, your on-site employee now can take a picture of it with their smartphone using the InvoiceZoom delivery slip app. Then, enter the delivery number and job number. Once the delivery slip is entered into your app properly, simply select it for upload, and the slip will now be indexed into your InvoiceZoom account. Later, when the invoice for that delivery is received and reviewed in InvoiceZoom, it will automatically activate the purple box and recognize there is a matching delivery slip. Your manager can now click View and inspect the slip and invoice side by side to make sure the invoice matches what was delivered. Once approved, your manager selects Values Verified, and your invoice is ready for payment. InvoiceZoom streamlines the approval of on-site deliveries and allows your managers to quickly compare the invoice to the delivery slip, saving countless hours of reconciling and countless dollars when you mistakenly overpay. InvoiceZoom, putting incoming invoices in their place.